Look, that road's gravel. That takes us to where we want to go.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
So we could walk along there.
Yeah, we could do, yeah. Yeah.
Walk along that gravel path rather than take the long way round. I want to put it over to me.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a little flooded. Wow, that's wild.
I have never seen it that. Oh my God. Sorry guys.
Yes, it's a little flooded.
Look, you can see the shrapnel coming through, the leaves and that.
You know, debris. Shit tons of debris.
Where's that gate there? Where's that one gate? Because we walked up round further to go to. So this goes on to the castle as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's a ball lake of all them bramble bushes and shit and all sloppy.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not going in there. I'd rather not. I'm good.
No, this looks like a cracky bridge. The cracky bridge. All the crackies leave their tags and shit. Oh yes, they have to, don't they? They're kind of weird on most videos, and especially ghost hunting videos, when they're always in old buildings and things like that. They always see a spray painting of a knob and balls on the walls. It's like a universal thing. Weird how people, that kind of springs to mind and people just have to do it.
Babe, YouTube is a space rocket.
What they do. There's always a knob and balls on fucking walls and stuff in abandoned buildings and places. Just thought I'd point that out.